We're at Sawmill Wetlands today.
Not too long ago, this was threatened by development.
According to the developer, it would just be wiped out.
The Clean Water Act is a critical tool for the protection of wetlands, but unfortunately with smaller wetlands, they kind of fall through the cracks.
Wetlands like this are often compared in diversity to things like tropical rainforests and coral reefs.
This wetland is very special because of its rarity in the urban setting.
When the developer had his eyes on it, I got kind of angry, and we organized and started the group Friends of Sawmill Wetlands.
And we were involved in talking to community groups.
And then we started sending in petitions.
It worked. It can save stuff.
Local activists protected the Sawmill Wetlands from destruction, but these wetlands never should have been in jeopardy in the first place. Now, the new Clean Water Rule restores clear protection from streams and tens of millions of acres of wetlands.
Look, he's upside down.
That's how he swims. He swims upside down, doesn't he? Yeah.
It is a place for people of all ages to come out, just stroll the boardwalk, see something they hadn't before.
Any wetland we have left it just has to be preserved.